Hello! Thank you for taking the time to be a part of the Festival Foods Turkey Trot. We are looking forward to yet another great year and cannot wait to celebrate this event with you. Today we will review a few highlights for the bib pickup to ensure that when you arrive on site, you will be set up for success and ready to go. Let's get started. Upon arriving to your bib pickup area, you will have the following items at your station. iPads that will be used for checking participants in, scan the participant's registration code, and their bib. iPad login credentials to ensure you have access to your location's participants through the Race Entry app. Race day bibs for both events, the 5 mile and the 2 mile. Sharpies that can be used for noting the participant's t-shirt size and their name on the back of the bib. And finally, coupon sheets that also include safety pins for each participant's bib.
The first thing you're going to want to do is log into the app and make sure everything works. Then make sure that the location is set to your race city.
Before registration officially begins, it would be a great time to register any participants that are there beforehand to make sure everything is working properly.
When the racers get to the event, they should have a QR code either on a piece of paper or on their phone. They will walk up to your booth, and from there you will scan their code. Their name will appear, as well as their event and shirt size.
At this time, you'll need to verify with the participant their name, t-shirt size, and the event they are registered for. Once all three are confirmed, you can grab the next available bib, making sure to choose the one that matches the event that your participant is registered for. Next, you'll use the camera on the iPad to scan the QR code on the participant's bib you just selected. This step assigns the bib to your participant. Once scanned, that bib number will appear in the current bib field. If the participant tells you they would like to change events, you can help. Simply choose the next available bib for the event they wish to register for and proceed as normal. For instance, if they are registered for the 2 mile event and would like to change to the 5 mile event, just take the next available bib for the 5 mile event and use that for their registration. This automatically updates their registration in our systems and links their name and bib for timing purposes.
After the bib is scanned in, you write their name on it and check the correct shirt size box listed. At this time, they must go with the shirt size they registered for. Or if they wish to change sizes, they will need to exchange their shirt at the race day table.
Now let's cover some issues that may arise during the bib pickup.
One potential problem could be that they don't have their QR code. This is a simple enough fix. In the system, you can manually search for a name and get them checked in that way. Now, let's say a participant registered for another Festival Foods Turkey Trot in a different community, but would like to participate in your community instead. Please kindly direct them to the Solutions table to ensure they can be further assisted in changing their registration.
Another issue may be that the participant does not appear when the QR code is scanned, or cannot be found in the search field section. If this happens, please direct that participant to the Solutions table to verify that they are registered.
Because there is a lot of data and participants to load in the Race Entry app, you may have an issue where your app is not opening to the participant screen. If this occurs and you have the pinwheel of death, you can double-click the home button at the bottom of the iPad and press down on the Race Entry app, and then swipe it up towards the top of the iPad. This will close the app and then allow you to reopen the Race Entry app and jump back into checking in your next participant.
Finally, the last issue that could arise is if someone accidentally logs you out of the Race Entry app. Your location's login information will be provided with all the iPads. Once you locate the login information for your location, enter your credentials in the appropriate areas and choose the participants option. From there, you should be ready to continue on. That's it. Easy peasy. If you have any questions throughout the day, do not hesitate to call your race director. Thank you once again for volunteering for the Festival Foods Turkey Trot. It is because of people like you that we are able to make these events happen.